Yeah, this film did honor Alexander, so yeah. And here's a table looks like of Christopher Columbus, the Discovery. Yeah. And was brought on December 22nd and December 23rd, 1992.
You've never seen TV shows like this. Wednesday at 9, The Silencer of the Lambs. Or this.
Headspins. Very good.
Because this isn't TV. It's hell.
Our parents are trapped in television.
We're cartoons. And they're having a devil of a time getting out.
That'll save her.
Stay tuned.
Where have you been?
Rated PG.
Look for it on video cassette. Coming soon on
The fight. 10 against 1. We're bad. We're very bad. The stakes. A couple of million.
You think I'm here to steal dimes and quarters out of cookie jars?
Now it's up to this guy to make history. How old is this boy? 48. Or this guy is history.
Where can you ever get $500,000?
Yep. James Woods, Louis Gossett Jr. You. Digs down.